I'm inside of Trader Workstation in Interactive Brokers, and I want to place some trades, but I don't want them to process and fill until a specific date and time sometime in the future. So I'm going to show how to do that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to come up to the monitor under Portfolio, and you see here I've got two active trades I want to close at the opening bell tomorrow. So I'm going to click on the first one here. I'm going to right click, come down to Trade, go to Order Ticket. And so Order Ticket is the screen we want to get to. There's a lot of different ways you can get to this in the software, but this is just one. But this is the screen we want to get to. Now, there's a couple different ways we can do this. You see right here the start time. We can set it by doing this right here, clicking on that calendar. I'll set it for May 29th. We can see here that for the time it says available hours 1930 to 1600. So this works on a 24-hour clock. If I want it to be 9:30 in the morning, I'll choose 9:30. All right, and so once I've got that set, I'll click OK, and we can see that set there. Another way you can do it is come over to the Conditional tab. We'll click on Add. We'll say Time here, and then we can set it from here as well. If we want it to be sometime in the future, we'll leave the operator as greater than or equal to, and then we can set it in here as well. Click OK, click Finish, click on Preview here, and we can see it gives us a message here. It says this will process on or exactly, after or exactly on 9:30 in the morning on May 29th, which is what we want. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to update this. I'm going to bump this up to 3 there to close that out, and then I'm going to switch to market. So you can update your trade there. Again, we'll come preview. Looks good there. So we'll just click Override and Transmit. Now we'll come to the Orders tab, and you can see that it's active here. Now, one way you can tell that it's set for 9:30 in the morning is come to the Configure tab here, click on Settings, and then over here on Available Columns, I'll type Start Time. Double left click on that to add that to the menu. Click OK. And then you have to drag these around a little bit. Let's see if it'll allow us to do it here. Well, all right, there we go. So you can see here, this one's active, and it says that it's going to start at 9:30 on May 29th. If we wanted to update it, let's say we wanted to do 10:30 instead, come up here, change that around, and then we could update it. Click an update there. Now it's set for 10:30.